Hey, good day guys out there, it's Olushola in the studio. In today's lesson, I just want to teach you how to boogie and woogie. So this kind of blues has to do constantly with, your reading, and at the same time, you're still keeping that whoopee kind of vibe. So before we proceed to the lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and do what to put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any of our video updates. Now, let's proceed to the lesson. In this lesson, we are just playing this blues on the key of E, whereby every of the chord that we are playing is just the normal typical 12-bar blues chord. So we have E dominant 7th, then to our 4, which is the E dominant 7th, then to our B dominant 7th, then so the traditional blues that we have is this. So that is how we formed our reading from that. So from our 1, we're just playing open E, so we are trying to like play out the triad notes, like a call and response. So with a chromatic embellishment here. So that's the simplest way you can learn it. Then to the 5th. Now slowly call, answer. So that's basically what we are doing on each of the chord changes. Then we'll move to the 4 chord. Then we'll go back to 1. Then we'll go back to 5. Then chromatic embellishment to the 3rd. You see there? Then back to 4. Then back to 1. Then 5. Then back to 1. So all together slowly. Back to 1, then to 5, to 4, then back to 1, then 5, chromatic approach, back to 4, then 1. That's all about Boogie Woogie. So if you like this lesson and you find it interesting and it has really expand your thinking about blues guitar, I would like you to click the subscribe button and do want to put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any of our video updates. See you next time.